Hey guys, so I bought Tom Ford's Tobacco Oud. We'll unbox this thing. So before unboxing, as usual, we'll have a look at the Fragrantica page and see what it says. So this is a warm, spicy tobacco woody whiskey oud sweet amber balsamic patchouli based fragrance. And yeah, this is like Jeremy Fragrance's most favorite, maybe one of the most favorite fragrances of his. So this was launched in 2013. The nose is Oliver Guillotine. The top notes are whiskey. Okay, so whiskey is the top note. Okay, spicy notes: cinnamon, coriander, agarwood, tobacco, sandalwood, blah blah blah. And it's a very long lasting fragrance. Yeah. So I tried this at the David Jones, and for some reason I liked it. The first time I tried it, that was last year. I didn't like it, but I tried it again today, and I I I read somewhere that this got discontinued, but I'm not sure if it's got discontinued. So I thought like, okay, maybe it will be good to have one really long-lasting fragrance. But then when I tried it on today at the David Jones, I really liked it, and so I bought this stuff. So let's see what this is. Though, so this is how the bottle itself looks like. Okay, and this is an eau de parfum 100 ml. I bought this. I didn't buy this at the David Jones. I I bought it at the chemist warehouse. They didn't have the 50 ml. They only had the 100 ml, and there was some deal like for $50 off or something of that sort. So I thought, okay, this is like the most expensive one that I currently have. It's 430 Australian dollars. No more perfumes for at least 6 months. Okay, so this is what the front looks like. At the top is just Tom Ford, and at the back have nothing much. This is what it looks like, and at the bottom you have the badge code and the barcode, I guess. So I believe the badge code is 1A98 19002, I guess. I'm not sure if you can have a look at it. Yeah. So let's unbox this thing. Try to smell it. I already tried this at David Jones, so I know what it kind of smells like. But let's see. Of these niche fragrances, I'm just slowly getting into these niche fragrances. I'm not a big niche guy, and so this is how it opens. So the inside is nothing. It's just yeah, it's just a box like cardboard types. Yeah, and this is how the bottle looks like. Okay, man, I'm a proud owner of Tom Ford's Tobacco Oud. I feel it's New York. So yeah, I never thought I would. I would never thought in my life I would own such an expensive fragrance. Yeah, so this is what the bottle itself looks like, and the top is like it's a typical classic design. It's a 100 ml. At the bottom, this is what it says. And the front, the sides don't have much, and Yeah. So I'm gonna have to pull my this thing. Okay, okay. Oh, this smell. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mmm. Aha. Aha. I'm glad I bought this. This smells like so many things on my mind right now. But it smells very upscale. First thing, smells. This smells like it doesn't belong to me in the first place. Like this smells like I should not be having it. It smells like this smells like I don't deserve it. It's something. This smells like it's a bit too much for me. I can like if this bottle had a voice, this is what it would be saying. Dude, you don't deserve me. Smells macho. Smells. What do I say? So this smells expensive. This smells like smells smells forbidden. Smells like you this smells like it does. This should not exist. This smells like you're it smells like very sophisticated. It smells like you're like macho and sophisticated. You're like a kingmaker or something of that sort. There is something forbidden. You're not supposed to be knowing that you're not supposed to know that this exists. You're not supposed to know. you have you can make or break things. You're a kingmaker. You're like or the king of kings. Like you're a sultan. You're like a fucking Genghis Khan or something of that sort. Oh, it's not for boys. It's not for me. That's what I'm saying. It's not for me. This is not. This is. I don't think I should have even bought this thing. It smells so unlike me. And the oud and whiskey, I get it. I get it. It's a very kind of. It smells like someone I would be too uh, nervous and embarrassed to even stand next to. It's like it's a very upscale kind of one of those 5-star 7-star restaurants that you would think twice to even before you even enter, right? So that it smells like some large than life kind of a personality figure, but at the same time it smells very macho. Is someone who knows what he wants, who has seen the best of the best and who has seen the worst of the worst. I mean, in the sense that he he definitely is into some kind of he's a sinner. He does some really bad things, uh, like 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 something really really bad. um, yeah, and still you don't even know that he exists. Like he smells very forbidden, smells very Smells like it shouldn't exist. It smells dirty. It smells like someone with a very refined taste, but at the same time, a very bad guy. Someone who does anything to get what he wants, you know what I mean, and it doesn't take him a lot of time to do that, to be able to do that, just like that. He's like the villain of all the villains, and still like the, yeah, like, yeah, what do I say, who do I say, it smells like Genghis Khan. I said it smells like Genghis Khan. Like, what else could I say? It smells beautiful. The oud in this, oh my god, the oud in this, like, oud is proper oud, I guess. I'm not sure if it's synthetic or whatever, but it smells like real oud. Tobacco, whiskey, and oud. I think that's those are the major notes. I'm not sure what is the major note here. So whiskey is the top note, okay. Spicy notes. Tobacco, oud. Oh, this is like, I am going to like price this. Like I probably would be wearing this a lot in the winter. Winter is almost here, in Sydney. I think it's a very unique scent, like nothing like I have smelled before. It is, it has oud in it, so it reminds me of some really upscale oud scents because of the oud, just because of the oud, like Armani oud Royal, and there's another oud that I smelled recently. I was just testing it. I think this has a very unique and beautiful oud in it, and I think the whiskey is giving it a, that the sophistication and the class, and the bad boy kind of feel to it. At the same time, extremely refined personality, who has seen some of the best of the best of the best in the in the things that, in the world, as in, yeah, I'm loving it. And I'm yet to check the dry down, but I heard that the longevity is really good on this one. Look at this, like 390 people and 183 people. Like, even the comments say it lasts at least 12 plus hours, right? And just two sprays. I hope this is probably the one scent that I was looking for. I've been searching for that that as I mentioned already, Tom Ford, I believe me, he makes fragrances for personalities. It's not everybody can pull it off. You need to be a certain personality type to be able to wear certain fragrances, and this one is not an exception either, and is probably one of the most upscale fragrances that I've smelled from Tom Ford himself. His fragrances. I've smelled, like, I've tested pretty much like most of the niche, the private blends of Tom Ford, I guess. And like, this one is so unique and so beautiful and so powerful. It smells like authority. It smells like power. It smells like you don't give a fuck about what others think. It smells like I can go on and on and on about this fragrance. It's beautiful. I will maybe post another video about the dry down, I guess. But as of now, I smell like of VVVIP or something of that sort. I'm glad that I bought this. Thanks a lot for watching this. Bye bye. This is Cine Sense.